CRM. By using CRM we can manage clients easily. We can add all details of client like client type, contact details, contact person and other client details with status and date, time. We can check all details in table format, if employee want to add site. Also add flow track option which give information about travel distance, expenses and presence of employee. We can send various mails to client and others instantly. We can share our company profile also. User can add a data through Excel file by import functionality. And can export all details in Excel also. Notification of various client are display on dashboard as reminder for each user as per added data.